Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. PeerStreet, https://www.peerstreet.com, https://www.peerstreet.com, offers investors a unique opportunity to participate in the real estate lending market. This platform facilitates investments in short-term, first lien loans secured by real estate properties. Essentially, PeerStreet acts as a bridge, connecting investors with pre-vetted real estate debt investments. They carefully select and underwrite loans, focusing primarily on residential properties. This rigorous process aims to mitigate risk for investors while offering potentially attractive returns. One of the key advantages of using PeerStreet is their automated investing feature. This tool allows investors to set specific parameters, such as loan terms, property types, and desired interest rates, and then automatically invests funds into matching opportunities. This streamlines the investment process and allows for a more passive approach. However, for those who prefer a more hands-on approach, manual investment selection is also available. Transparency is a major focus for PeerStreet. They provide investors with detailed information on each loan, including property appraisals, loan terms, and borrower credit history. This allows investors to make informed decisions based on their individual risk tolerance and investment goals. The platform also offers various resources and educational materials to help investors better understand the nuances of real estate debt investing. While PeerStreet offers potentially lucrative returns, it's important to remember that all investments carry inherent risks. Factors such as market fluctuations and borrower defaults can impact returns. Therefore, it's crucial to thoroughly research and understand the risks involved before investing any funds. Diversification within your investment portfolio is always recommended. Overall, PeerStreet presents an intriguing option for individuals seeking exposure to the real estate lending market. Their automated investing tools, coupled with their commitment to transparency and rigorous loan vetting process, provide a potentially compelling investment platform. Remember, however, to conduct your own due diligence and assess the potential risks before making any investment decisions.